Hello guys, welcome to Onaji's kitchen. Today we are going to make vegetable and chicken pasta, the most favorite of everyone. So I tell you what we need for it. First of all, I boil the pasta with a 1 tablespoon of oil so it is not going to stick with each other. So I'm gonna put it on side. Then I've taken the chicken cubes, boneless chicken, half kg. Then some vegetables, like I've taken sweet peas, grated carrots, mixed vegetables like I've got cauliflower, some broccoli, and courgette, pieces of courgette. But whatever you have, the vegetables, you can use it, and some cabbage here pieces. And then whatever spices I need, ketchup, 2 to 3 tablespoon, tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, black pepper, a little bit as per your taste, and salt as well as per your taste. And last but not the least, I've taken a little bit of piece of butter. If I'm going to cook it for the kids, I always use the butter. But if you're going to make it for the elders, you can use the oil, any kind of oil. So let's start. So I'm gonna melt this butter on the flame. I'm gonna put the flame a little bit high, and I'm going to melt this butter, and I will see you until the butter is melted. So my dear friends, the garlic and ginger is now roasted. So I'm gonna put the chicken cubes, the chicken pieces in it. And I have to cook it for a little bit, like around 10 minutes. I'm going to cook this chicken because it shouldn't be half cooked, which is not good for the health. So I'm going to cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. So I see you after that. So my dear friends, the chicken is nicely cooked. So I'm gonna put the vegetables one by one. First of all, I'm gonna put these sweet peas, and gonna cook it for a little bit until a little bit tender. I will take it I'm gonna stir for 2 to 3 minutes, and I see you in 2 minutes. So the sweet peas are tender. I'm gonna put this grated carrot in it. Just keep in mind, if you're vegetarian, you don't want to put chicken, then just follow the recipe and without chicken. Instead of chicken, you can just go with the vegetables. So I'm gonna cook a little bit of these carrots, and not just keep in mind the vegetables should not lose the color, and all the vegetables should be the same, like green, red, or whatever the colors they are, and with the crispiness. They should be a bit crispy and crunchy. Then it looks good. Otherwise, if they are dead, they are just like no color in it, then no use of using the vegetables. Their natural color and flavor should not be dead. So I'm gonna put the rest of the vegetables, the courgette, the cauliflower, and the broccoli. Wow, look at that beautiful color. And I'm gonna put the salt and the chili flakes, and for timing these two things, and then I'm gonna cook these for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I will get back to you. So friends, the vegetables are now tender but crunchy. So I'm gonna put the soy sauce in it, and a little bit of white vinegar, and just mix it well. Now I'm going to put this ketchup in it. If you have tomato paste, put the paste in it, and I'm going to empty this one, clean it up nicely, and mix it well, and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. And I see you in 2 to 3 minutes. So my dear friends, now I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. Just add to flavor. Do not put the black peppers in the start, otherwise it will make the vegetables black. And mix it up. And I'm gonna put the cabbage at the end, because cabbage is very quickly like mixing in the other vegetables and chicken. So now I'm gonna put this cabbage, mix it well. See, our vegetables are though tender but very, very crunchy. So it looks, look at the color, red, green, beautiful, and light green of the cabbage, and the courgette, dark green. My God, beautiful colors. What a rainbow of the vegetable and chicken. And now you can taste the salt and the chili or the spices. If you want to make it more spicy, you can add on more black pepper, but if you want it light, and especially for the kids, they don't want too spicy, so I'll check. Wow. Beautiful. For me, it is all good, but if you add on anything, you can add on now. So I will cook it for, I'm gonna put the lid on it for 2 minutes, and I will see you until the everything is, all the spices are mixed in the vegetable and chicken, and I will see you in 2 minutes. Welcome back, my friends. Now it seems like everything is settled, so I'm going to put the flame on very low, and gonna add the pasta in the beautiful star flow. Let's, as I told you, I boiled the pasta with the 1 tablespoon of oil so it doesn't stick with each other and gets separated very easily. Look, and until I put all the pasta in here, I'm gonna see you in a few seconds. Look at the beautiful colors. It seems like we are not cooking, we are cooking a rainbow. Okay, please mix up everything very nicely and with love and kindness because we are going to eat it. So treat it kindly and nicely. Be kind to the pasta and the chicken and the vegetables. So mix it up nicely until it is all mixed up. I'm going to get back to you and we'll show you the final look and we'll taste it. So the friends, I'm going to give you a tip of how to give a nice flavor at the end. So this is the secret. I'm going to put a pinch of thyme. Once it is cooked, just sprinkle a little pinch of thyme and leave it for 2 minutes with the lid on it and put the flame on very, very low. So let it cook for 2 minutes until the fragrance and the flavor of the thyme is all settled in the pasta. So we'll see you in 2 minutes. Hello, my dear friends. Now I'm going to see how our pasta looks like. Ready, steady, go! Wow! Look at the beautiful pasta. It is ready to go. And I'm gonna show you the final look and I'm gonna taste it, how it tastes. It looks good. Hopefully should be delicious. Looks delicious. Yummy. My God, mouth watering. Okay, let me put it in the dish and I get back to you in a minute to show you the final look. So the friends, let's taste our vegetable and chicken pasta. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Nice, superb. Please try this recipe. You're gonna like it. And if you like it, please share my recipe to your friends and families and your contacts. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, Onaji's Kitchen, please do it. And we will see you soon with a new recipe. And I take your leave and say goodbye to you with a prayer that please be happy and smiling. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye bye.